Hello everyone, my name is Amber Davis. I am the project manager for Aggie Plug, and I will be in charge of presenting the final project and showing you all a quick demo. So let's start with what is Aggie Plug. So Aggie Plug's purpose is it was designed to make a student's transition into A&T and while they're matriculating throughout A&T easier. So our app will be used as a helpful tool for students to be able to locate who would they go to for their advisor, and what faculty member would they talk to about a certain topic, and also providing information on faculty members on the app instead of them having to dig and search for it themselves. So again, word for word, Aggie Plug is needed within a computer systems technology department because it would decrease confusion and serve as a quicker resource for students who would need help getting to the right person. Aggie Plug will positively help a student's experience within our department and help our department be more progressive in terms of technology. So, mid-project, we decided to scratch doing an app, and we decided to just go ahead and do a website. We just felt like it would save us a lot of time. Most of us are more experienced in doing websites and getting that done quicker. So we ended up just taking that route. So let me show you a quick demo. So ideally, you would show up to this page when you click in, when you type in aggieplug.tk. And this page will pop up, and you would type in, let's say you want to type in a professor's name, their last name. I put in Bullock. Ideally, when you click this search button, it should take you to the exact professor's information. Now, a problem that we ran into is connecting our database in a way that would link the string that's entered into the search box to an actual page. That's one thing that we did have a major problem with. So as you can see, it's going to take you to a whole long page of professors and faculty members. So right here you see I did type in Bullock, so Bullock did show up on the list. And it shows the department that she's a part of, which is computer systems technology, and it shows her role, which is professor. Also, when you click this more info will take you to her departmental write-up, something that is provided on the school website, and it just gives you her email, phone number, office location, her full title, her education history, and research interests. So here is another page. We have About Us page, and the About Us just basically explains what you should expect from Aggie Plug, kind of like what I explained earlier. And down here you'll see a long list of the team members. So starting with me, I'm the project manager. I planned, budgeted, oversaw, and documented all aspects of the project. Jaquan, he was a developer, so he played a key role in developing and designing the website. Trishan, he was the UX tester, so he basically utilized tools in order to match that vision and make the process of using our website a lot easier for a regular user or our target market. And Dante, he's our business analyst. He helped develop technical solutions to our business problems, so trying to help us get through those loops of our coding. Samaj Blue, he was our UX researcher, so basically he pinpointed our target audience and how they would interact with our website, and that just helps us kind of know what functionalities to put on our website and what not to. So, I will say that my main takeaway from this project was that a lot of times it's necessary to allow others to take the project management role because it can be a lot sometimes, and I feel like a true leader is always willing to hand the work over or let someone else step in and help, because it's so easy to get overwhelmed. Also, I learned that project management is a lot harder than I thought it was in the beginning. It's still a field that I would love to pursue, but definitely not taking it lightly.
Greetings. My name is Jaquan Norman. As sophomores and juniors of North Carolina A&T State University's Computer Systems Technology Department, also known as CST Department, we have recognized that many students do not know the plug to great advice, resources, and opportunities within their reach. So we decided to be the plug and spark a change within our department. We envision designing an application that would bridge the gap between students and the available resources within our department. We have many scholarships, an honor society, and great faculty and administration that is willing to help students get their career ignited. And we wanted to make sure that students know the information as leaders of the future by being users of the Aggie Plug.
During this project, I have learned a lot about working on a project and completing it by a deadline, but not only that, also working in a team to complete that project. Some of the lessons I learned from this project is that communication with all group members is very important. It's also important to be mindful of all project deadlines, and last but not least, always be prepared for possible setbacks in that project.
Hey everybody, my name is Dante Taylor, and I'm the business analyst for Team First Place. With my job, it consists of filling out the databases and also making sure that the professors' stuff is right, such as their names, their first names, their last name, their room number, also like what they're good at. Also, from doing this project, I learned that you have to be flexible and be able to do multiple things at the same time, and to be able to help your teammate when they need help, and yeah.